Ready to take your creativity to the next level? Whether you're a hobbyist, inventor, or professional, 3D printing has changed the game. Today, we're exploring the top 10 best 3D printers of 2025, which deliver precision, speed, and innovation. From beginners to experts, these machines are making waves in the world of design and manufacturing. All product links are in the description. Let's get started. Number 10. FormLabs. Form 4. If there's one printer that closes the gap between mass-scale injection molding and 3D printing, then that's FormLabs Form 4. Throughout my testing, I was amazed at the quality of the prints that the machine could produce at such a great speed. This makes it a very viable option for anyone looking at 3D printing as a solution for small production runs. Over the previous generation, which was equally as impressive in print quality, the Form 4 adds a new and improved autofill feature and redesigned resin tanks, which both help to take the ease of use up a level. The main drawback of the machine is the initial cost. And while this will be prohibitive for many users, this is a machine that is solely aimed at the professional market. However, one aspect that I liked is that while the FormLabs materials are expensive, the system has now been opened up so cheaper materials can be used. Number 9. Creality Halot-Mage S 14K. Through the test of the Creality Halot-Mage S 14K, as with the 8K version before it, impressed. Setup and use were easy enough despite the usual mess that comes with using a resin print. Although with the flip lid design and quick release build platform and resin tank, it goes some way to making life a little easier. While I found the basics of using the machine straightforward, there is, as ever, the usual cleanup process that requires both wash and cure. While Creality has pared back this machine, so there's no autofill feature, the refinements to the resin tank have made the overall use that much easier. This machine excels in terms of the quality of the prints, and at 14K, it's one of the highest resolution printers out there. Sure enough, as the prints emerged, it was possible to see the detail, and after washing, breaking away the support structures, and then curing, I saw some of the highest quality prints from this level of 3D printer. Along with the print quality, I like the platform size, which is about mid-range sized for this type of printer, and essentially makes the quantity of resin in the tank manageable when it comes to the cleanup. I found the quality of the prints from this relatively inexpensive resin printer exceptional, which makes it my choice as the best 3D printer for miniatures. Number 8. Bambu Lab X1 Carbon. The Bambu Lab X1 Carbon is one of the Bambu Lab printers that disrupted the 3D print industry and set the technology on the present path for product-designed, fast, and precise multi-filament printers. It's also the flagship of the Bambu Lab range, so I was excited to see if the hype around this machine was true. Sure enough, with absolute focus, when the machine arrived, it took all of 10 minutes to have the X1 unboxed, powered on, calibrated, and ready to print. After a quick run-through of the test prints on the machine before embarking on the usual models, the machine took everything in its stride. For general use, the quality of prints and the speed are exceptional, with only the Anycubic S1 beating it on print quality. However, I found this machine to excel when it came to specialist materials. Printing out some carbon GoPro Hero 13 black bike mounts, and the speed and quality of the finish were hard to beat, with only small production runs on the FormLabs Form 4 raising the quality level. Likewise, with the fully enclosed design and relatively small footprint, it's just a great machine all around. My only issue with it is the amount of mess it spits out of the back. Number 7. Original Prusa XL. The original Prusa XL takes 3D printing to another level, both in features and scale. This is one of the largest 3D printers that I have looked at and utilizes the latest Corexi mechanics that have been coupled with Prusa's latest innovations. This machine has been designed as a modular and can adapt and change as you and your business need, from a single filament machine to a multi-filament with 4 tool heads. However, where it differs from everything else is that it features a multi-tool changer head, which cuts out the need for filaments to be loaded and unloaded during printing. Instead, the head quickly swaps automatically, dramatically cutting down print times when multi-filament printing. In use, the XL impressed me from the outset with the speed of the changes, enabling the printing of prototype interaction in multiple, different materials quickly. This machine is rarely out of action in the workshop and complements the smaller MK4S, which is utilized for speed and single filament prints. In use, the design feels far more akin to professional workshop machinery than a desktop printer, making it an ideal option for all precision engineering. Number 6. Anycubic Kobra S1. The Anycubic S1 is one of a new wave of 3D printers that is changing the industry and also redefining what I have come to expect from a standard 3D printer. Firstly, the technology and design have suddenly changed, with the old Cartesian bedslinger designs being sidelined for more advanced and ultimately better machines. Through my tests, I found the Anycubic S1, with its slightly smaller, fully enclosed design, made it easier to position and handle in the workshop. While the design might not be quite as elegant as some of the other Core XY 3D printers, when it comes to absolute accuracy, the S1 stands out. It was the first 3D printer to score 30/30 in the print quality test, with everything from dimensional accuracy to bridging and overhangs all easily within its abilities. While the build area may be smaller than some, that didn't hold back the function of this superb 3D printer, and is an ideal choice if you're looking for precision 3D printing excellence. Number 5. Original Prusa MK4S. The original Prusa MK4S 3D printer is what the MK4 should have been, with a host of updates that put it back on top when it comes to outright speed and performance. While the MK4 was good, other manufacturers' machines started to catch up, matching the performance. However, that all changed with the MK4S. I have found that this printer is an outstanding choice for businesses, as well as those of us who are dedicated 3D print enthusiasts like myself. The MK4S is essentially ready to use out of the box, with minimal setup required. It offers high-speed printing with excellent reliability and minimum maintenance required, which is why it's become such a popular choice for print farms. The automatic bed leveling and first layer calibration make it easy to achieve perfect prints every time. Though it comes with a higher price tag, the investment is justified by its versatility and the quality of its outputs. The MK4S is ideal for professionals who need a dependable, high-performance 3D printer capable of handling various materials and delivering top-notch results. For an alternative, check out our original Prusa XL review if you'd prefer a multi-filament 3D printer for business use. Number 4. Creality K1C. The Creality K1C has been around for a while now, and its high performance, reliability, and ability to handle specialized materials like carbon fiber filaments make it a great choice. The printer is one of the most robust 3D printers I have used due to the strength of the construction. Coupled with the AI technology, it helps to ensure usability, especially in the hands of students. The K1C features a powerful cooling system that enables the fully enclosed design to print with common materials such as PLA, and also helps to keep fingers out while printing and keeping fumes in. The direct drive, clog-free extruder and unicorn tri-metal nozzle all help to ensure consistent and high-quality prints, even with abrasive materials. The fully enclosed design, flexible PEI build plate, and hands-free auto-leveling system make setup and operation straightforward, which is exactly what you need in the classroom. Reliability is enhanced by the integrated AI camera that provides real-time print monitoring, time-lapse recording, and failure detection. Despite its many strengths, I have found that the K1C has a few minor drawbacks. The print quality can be slightly affected by the high speeds, and it lacks multi-filament support. For that feature, you'll need an upgrade to the Creality K2+. In my experience, the Creality K1C is a superb 3D printer that combines advanced features, robust build quality, and excellent material handling. It is an ideal choice for serious 3D printing enthusiasts, schools, colleges, and universities. Number 3. Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo. The Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo is an exceptional multi-filament 3D printer and is one of a new wave of affordable, high-performance machines that I am seeing. While the design resembles a traditional bedslinger, the solid metal frame has been designed to reduce vibrations and enhance print quality. The addition of the Anycubic Ace Pro multi-filament box in the combo version of the printer that I looked at in the review enabled up to 4 filaments to be used at any one time, making it an ideal choice for beginners as well as those looking for a multi-filament upgrade on a budget. The Kobra 3, like previous Kobra machines, is easy to use from the outset, with a straightforward setup process that took me less than 10 minutes to get ready to print. The large touchscreen monitor and updated interface are easy to navigate and offer a big improvement over previous Anycubic designs. As I'd expect, there's an automatic bed leveling system, auto filament runout, and a host of other advanced print features. Despite its many strengths, the Kobra 3 combo has a few drawbacks. The lack of an excess filament tray, which is common with this design, and the slower speed of multi-filament printing compared to single filament models. Additionally, the open frame design limits how suitable this printer is for some locations, such as education, as well as printing some advanced materials. Overall, the Anycubic Kobra 3 combo offers outstanding value and performance, making it the best multi-filament 3D printer for beginners. Number 2. Creality Ender-3 V3 SE. The Creality Ender-3 V3 SE 3D printer is another Cartesian printer that has benefited from the manufacturer's move to fast core XY designs. All the advanced features of the previous generation of bed slingers, such as auto bed leveling, are now appearing on this cheap entry-level machine. There may be a few extras missing, such as the absence of a touchscreen, filament runout sensor, or camera, which might be a drawback for some. However, as this printer is from the Creality product line, there's always the option to accessorize it as your budget allows, with the filament runout sensor being a must. Overall, I found the Ender-3 V3 SE stands out for its exceptional value, ease of use, print quality, and reliability, making it the best budget 3D printer for those venturing into 3D printing or seeking a cost-effective yet competent machine. Number 1. Bambu Lab A1. Having tested all the latest mainstream 3D printers, I feel the one with the widest appeal has to be the Bambu Lab A1. The fact that this open frame design is relatively small and will fit on a desktop instantly fits the needs of most prospective buyers that I talk to. Still, then it can also be packed away easily with the AMS Lite, making it a great choice over some of the larger, fully enclosed designs. When I looked through the feature set, I noticed that it also compares directly with more expensive models, especially when it comes to the speed and quality of the prints. It also utilizes the Automatic Material System Lite, AMS Lite, which enables up to 4 colors to be used within prints at any one time. The A1 essentially makes advanced 3D printing easy and packs in every feature that I've come to expect from mid to high-end machines, such as a tool head acceleration speed of 10,000 nm/s, pressure advanced technology, and a direct drive extruder. That said, the technology is tried and tested, and the A1 is highly refined and, of course, has the standard auto bed leveling and filament runout sensors, alongside wide material compatibility that makes this a highly versatile 3D printer. In my experience, while there are more advanced, larger multi-filament machines out there, when it comes to refined reliability and print quality, the A1 is not only part of the family of printers that disrupted the 3D print industry, but also just a great choice for all user levels. That's it for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.